Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to get verified on Snapchat. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have of course, and download the Snapchat application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register into Snapchat if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the bottom right corner, as you can see, we have spotlights where you can check out some videos of people that they post. We have your stories where you can check out your stories, the camera, and in the bottom left corner, we have your location and your chat. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and get verified on Snapchat. So first of all, fill out the online form for Snap Star verification. It asks for a few pieces of basic information, including your Snapchat account name, full legal name, the category or categories your content falls under, and links to press coverage about you. From there, the company reviews the application and notifies you of their decision. Inform Snapchat that other users are duplicating or stealing your content. You can meeting the follow criteria, an account that is up to 6 months old, at least 100 followers on your page, and an active account with 50k story views. You need to go and regularly post engaging content, share your content, and collaborate with other Snapchatters with bigger communities to grow your audience. So those are the steps to get verified. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. Until then, bye guys.